Among the widespread reaction to the missed penalty call in the NFC Championship game was a lawsuit filed against the NFL on behalf of New Orleans Saints season ticket holders, but it appears that suit will not go any further. A judge has ruled in favor of the National Football League and against the ticket holders in their attempt to replay the game lost by New Orleans, according to a report from The Advocate. U.S. District Judge Susie Morgan denied the plaintiffs' request to return this lawsuit to state court, and the federal judge also denied their request that she order the NFL to replay the end of the game, according to the report. The fans in the suit sought to force Roger Goodell to use his power as NFL commissioner to enact Rule 17 of the league's rulebook, a statute which allows the commissioner to reverse the result of a contest if an unfair act played a part in the final score of the original game. The commissioner's powers under this Section 2 include the imposition of monetary fines and draft choice forfeitures, suspension of persons involved in unfair acts, and, if appropriate, the reversal of a game's result or the rescheduling of a game either from the beginning or from the point at which the extraordinary act occurred, according to Rule 17 Section 2, Article 3. In all cases, the commissioner will conduct a full investigation, including the opportunity for hearings, use of game video, and any other procedure the commissioner deems appropriate. However, Article 2 states, the commissioner will not apply authority in cases of complaints by clubs concerning judgmental errors or routine errors of omission by game officials. That appears to be the decisive passage in the rulebook which allowed the NFL to refuse the request, and it was explicitly cited by Commissioner Roger Goodell in remarks this week. The fans claimed that Goodell has the power to set back time, giving the Saints first and goal at the spot of the foul, put 1:49 back on the game clock, and let the game proceed, with the score tied, 20-20, with the Rams having one timeout left. Television replay showed that Rams cornerback nickel Roby Coleman was guilty of pass interference when he ran into Saints wide receiver Tommy Lee Lewis, striking him in the helmet, before a pass intended for him arrived. The collision sent Lewis into the air, but the two officials who were watching the play did not throw penalty flags. Since then, the NFL has been the subject of wide-ranging criticism from fans, NFL players, and the national media, who cited the missed call as the worst example yet in a trend of poor-quality NFL officiating, and Goodell even faced questions this week of whether the Super Bowl is tainted because of the manner in which the Rams earned their berth in the game.